谈论饮食和运动的有用短语。
What products do you offer? Can you tell me more about this product? What are the benefits of this product? Is this product available in different sizes or colors? Can you show me a sample? How much does this cost? Can you offer a discount? What is your best price? Can we negotiate the price? I'm open to negotiation. That's a fair offer. Let's meet in the middle. What are the payment terms? How soon can you deliver? What is the lead time for this order? Can you provide a delivery schedule? What are the shipping costs? Do you offer free shipping? How can I contact customer service? What is your return policy? Can you provide technical support? How do I file a complaint? What is your warranty policy? Thank you for your business. We look forward to doing business with you again. Please let us know if you need anything else. We appreciate your business.